Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today again an easy, simple side dish for rice or chapati. I am showing you simple dishes, especially in this hot summer season. You don't want to spend long hours in the kitchen. So let's make a bhindi sabji, bhindi or vendakai as it is known in Tamil. Here I have about half a kg of this okra or bhindi. I washed and drained it. So first we'll trim the edges. Take about 2 tablespoons of oil in your kadai. Preferably use a heavy kadai. Add some mustard seeds, urad dal, a little bit of jeera and some hing. When the dal becomes a brownish color, now add in this chopped bhindi to it. Add some haldi or turmeric powder and salt to taste. Now initially keep the flame on high and allow it to stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, take about 3 teaspoons of fresh grated coconut in your blender jar and add about 5 or 6 of these chillies. Depending on the spiciness of your chillies, you can increase or decrease. Add mustard seeds to this and crush it all very well without using any water. Now we can reduce the flame to sim and allow it to continue cooking. See, we left this bhindi to get fried over a low flame for about 10 minutes. See, it is very well fried now, and can you notice there is no stickiness at all in the bhindi. I have not added any curd or imli or anything else, just allowed it to fry over a low flame. Now at this stage, just add a teaspoon of rice flour to this. Again, mix it all well together. Finally, we will add our blended coconut and red chillies. Mix it well together. As I have said earlier, there are many different styles of making this. It's not every time that I grind this coconut, red chillies and mustard. Sometimes I just add sambar podi to it, allow it to fry, switch it off. So you can have many variations in the type of sabji you make for your family. So our perfectly done South Indian style vendakai or bhindi dry sabji, no onion, no garlic, no tomato, ready for you. See, I will just transfer the sabji to our serving bowl. So our Vendakai Poriyal is now ready to be served. As I always say, serve it with dal rice, sambar rice, rasam rice, curd rice, or even if you like it with chapati, you can have our simple home style lunch combo of rice, a simple tadka dal and this bhindi sabji is ready now. I hope you enjoyed this no onion, no garlic lunch combo. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.